Hi, gold traders. Right after last Wednesday's Liberation Day tariff proclamation by Trump, we posted a cautionary note on our Telegram channel stating that there would be a sell off in the US stock markets when they opened. Now, for those who take notes, when we share invaluable knowledge with traders, you will know that we have said on previous occasions that when the US stock markets sell off in a particular way, gold ends up taking a brutal correction, and that's exactly what happened last week. We also stated in that Telegram post that after any tank down for gold, and once the market had shaken out the weak hands, the manipulators would reposition price in preparation for Friday's NFP release. So, as you can see on the chart, the bull trap was set here for inexperienced traders who thought the tariff announcement would set off a continuous rocket move higher given that Trump actually did what he promised on the tariff threats. After price was taken to this low, the smart money began repositioning and took price back to the middle between the day's high and low, which was the best place to sit and confuse inexperienced retail traders and keep them guessing as to where price would go next. On Friday, the NFP release was used to trigger the second leg of the brutal correction for gold that began on Thursday. Volatility is going to continue throughout this entire week, and it will be driven by announcements coming out from the White House. Trump posted on social media over the weekend that Vietnam had reached out to explain their desire to cut tariffs to the US to zero. Depending on which other countries follow suit, we may see stock markets rocket back up on any good news given the amount of aggressive selling thus far. On the other hand, we suspect that there may be another bear market rally for US stocks this week that in turn will lead to another tank down for gold once the manipulators have caught enough traders off guard. Getting back to that figure of 3,100 we mentioned in one of our previous videos, after gold broke above that level, we did not jump on the bandwagon and talk up gold, heading to 5K, and stated that we would wait for April the 2nd before deciding gold's ceiling for 2025. And now you know why we said that. Please hit the like button and leave a comment, and we'll take the time out to give you our long-range forecast for 2025, discussing both the ceiling, floor, and manipulation zones in another video. In the meantime, take extra caution this week by cutting down your usual position size and factoring into account the need for wider stops to avoid getting chopped out with the powerful swings both ways.